Dear students, welcome to our class on bits and questions in 5th to 8th videos of Agriculture Heritage. In 5th to 8th videos, I tried to cover soil management, water management, plant protection, indigenous technical knowledge. These four I tried to cover. In this, what are the possible bits? I tried my level best to give you some knowledge on these four aspects in 5th to 8th videos. Now, we try to understand some possible bits, only possible bits in and around some major important topics, okay, subtopics of these four chapters. So, as far as the soil management is concerned, soil is considered as dash, soul of infinite life. Soil is considered as soul of infinite life. Slash and burning of existing vegetation to gain soil is known as Zoom cultivation. Farmers through ages have treated soil as a dash, living entity possible. Bhabru, soils of Bhabru, brownish color. Krishna, black color. Rohini, reddish color. Jangala, barren. Anupa, moist. Sadharana, ordinary. These are ancient and medieval systems of soil classification. Ancient and medieval systems of soil classification. These are the possible bits. Bhabru, brownish. Krishna, black color. Rohini, reddish color. Jangala, barren. Anupa, moist. Sadharana, ordinary. Then, with reference to medieval systems of classification, economic classification example, rice soils. Physical classification example, gravelly soils. Chemical classification example, saline soils. Geographical classification, alluvial soils. Physiographic soils classification example is hilly soils. These are the possible bits in the medieval systems of soil classification. Then the concept known as dash. The concept known as dash states that the outcome from use of soil was influenced by the position of other living elements of life. So the concept known as dash, in that dash holism, Holism is the correct answer. Rain is essential for cultivation. Dash verse. The verse is from Krishi Sangraha. Rain is essential for cultivation. And as far as amendments and other things are concerned, Holy Quran exhorts farmers return dash of the harvest to soils. 1/3, answer is 1/3 of the harvest to soils. Most common and widely used amendment for reclaiming alkali soils is gypsum. Practice of dash is the impermeable layer has been found to improve the leaching of soluble salt. Practice of piercing, P-I-E-R-C-I-N-G. Okay, this is what is the answer. As far as soil management is concerned, these are the possible questions. Above these questions, below these questions, similar type, you should practice it. Then, water management is concerned. Ancient and prehistoric methods of harvesting and storage of water. Okay, the practice of collecting water is called as, water harvesting. In Dash Veda, both Kacha and Pakka wells were mentioned. In Rig Veda, these were mentioned. The accumulation of runoff water between hillocks is called khadin. The accumulation of runoff water between hillocks is called khadin, K-H-A-D-I-N. Evidence of collection of monsoon runoff in Dash is a major source of Indus Valley civilization, Dholavaira, in 3000 to 1500 BC. And Anasagar Lake was built at Ajmer. These are the possible questions in the water management and soil management. Now, plant protection is concerned. If rose is grown near dash tree, the fruits will be sweet smelling. For which tree? Peach, P-G-A-C-H, peach. In pomegranate, dash were chosen for cultivation. Upper part branches were chosen. Upper part branches is the important point there. Insects were seen on plants more than dash million years, 250 million years, whereas human beings are seen on the earth 2 million years. That's it. So diseases of all kinds of trees are of two types, internal and external. Dash may come internal and external. The diseases caused by dash are due to arid lands. Vata, V-A-A-T-A, Vata, Kapha, like that, you should read the other 2-3 also there. Farmers treat garlic seeds with a dash, okay, to control certain diseases. Buttermilk at the rate of 10 to 12 liters per hectare. Buttermilk at the rate of 10 to 12 liters per hectare. Asafoetida is used to control dash. Ergot of sorghum. Leaves of dash are used to control tea mosquito bug. Vitex or Cleidodendron. The freshwater harvesting structures in Western Ghats is known as Sorangam. Okay, right. As far as IT case are concerned, the expansion itself may come. IT case, indigenous technical knowledge. So here, I would like to impress upon you that as far as IT case are concerned, several examples are there. Now, coming to midterm or final exam. Short questions, big questions are concerned. In these 4 videos, the possible questions are short questions, ancient system of soil classification, medieval systems of soil classification. Kindly remember, ancient system means 10,000 BC or 12,000 years to beginning of AD. Several times I told. Medieval means beginning of AD to 18th century. So, ancient systems of soil classification, medieval systems of soil classification, land management for salt affected soils. Land management for salt affected soils. Good, that's one thing. Big questions are concerned, possible 12 marks questions. Ancient and medieval systems of soil management. Soil classification, short question. Soil management may be a big question and its relevance in modern day agriculture. Ancient prehistoric methods and structures for storing water. Methods and structures. Methods differ a lot from the structures. Structures means, Kadin, Nada, Nadin, like that. Okay, these were the structures. Methods, there were different methods. That's what we discussed in our classes. Okay, so as far as the structures are concerned, Tanka, Talai, Nada. So here, I would like to brief you something about our first 4 videos so that you can get the continuity. In the first 4 videos, what we tried was archaeologists and botanists have classified the ages or stages. From there, we started in this class. We tried to understand soil management, water management, of course, plant protection, right? Thank you very much. May God bless you. All the very best for all your exams. May God bless you.